Hi there, it's Rachel here at Practice ICAO English, and today we're going to go through a video about a DHL aircraft that skidded off the runway in Costa Rica, and you're going to learn how to talk about the incident clearly and concisely. You can start off by watching the incident unfold. The DHL plane landed on the runway, and during rollout, the pilot lost control. The plane skidded off the edge of the runway. The wings snapped off and the plane broke in two. Look at the grammar we're using here. We're using the past simple. The DHL plane landed on the runway, and during the rollout, the pilot lost control. So landed is a regular verb ending in ed, which we must pronounce. Otherwise, the examiner may believe that you have poor pronunciation or are using incorrect grammar. And lost is the past tense of the verb lose. So the DHL plane landed on the runway, and during rollout, the pilot lost control. The plane skidded, which again is a regular verb in the past simple tense. The plane skidded off the edge of the runway. The wings snapped off and the plane broke in two. Snapped is a regular verb, and we must pronounce the ed, and broke is the past tense of break. It's an irregular verb. So I'll read it once again, and you can read along with me to practice your pronunciation. The DHL plane landed on the runway, and during rollout, the pilot lost control. The plane skidded off the edge of the runway. The wings snapped off and the plane broke in two. Now we're going to look at a photo description of this incident. The DHL plane came to a stop on the grass beside the runway. The nose of the aircraft and the nose landing gear are on the runway. The wings broke off in the accident and the plane split in two close to the tail. I can't see any sign of fire, but the fire service is spraying foam as a precaution. Now in this picture description, you've got a variety of tenses. You've got the past simple, the DHL plane came to a stop. Then you've got the nose landing gear, the nose of the aircraft and the nose landing gear are on the runway. That's the present simple tense talking about a current fact. You've got the wings broke off, which is the past simple, and the plane split in two, past simple. I can't see any sign of fire is the present simple tense, and the fire service is spraying foam as a precaution is the present continuous tense, telling us what someone is doing now. Let's move on to the next photo. And what is the situation now? The cockpit door is open. That's the present simple tense. It's a fact. The fire services have put a ladder up to the door for the pilots to escape. Have put is the present perfect, and it's describing an action that has just finished. It looks like an investigation is now underway. Looks like is using our senses, our sense of sight, to assume what is happening, and we use the present simple tense for that. If you'd like to do more activities like this, I invite you to join my Facebook group, Practice ICAO English, and you can also visit my website, practiceicaoenglish.net, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.